Hey there, Papa's Posse. Don't forget about that QR code. Take you to my eBay, YouTube, and Instagram page. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Time for Papa's comic books, coffee, and more. Welcome back, everyone. Papa's comic books, coffee, and more. Today we have Richard Scarry's The Early Bird. This is a Random House book, copyright 1968. Now, don't forget, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, okay? Ring that bell. Let's see what's going on with Richard Scarry's Early Bird. Ooh, the early bird. Early bird hopped out of bed. The sun was shining. He went to the bathroom and washed his face. Early bird brushed his beak and combed his feathers. Then he put on his blue sailor suit. A bird wearing a sailor suit? Look at all this food. Look at what Early bird ate for breakfast. Woo, doggy. Get eggs. That's not good for a bird to eat eggs. I don't know. And melon and oranges and eggs and more eggs and sausage and toast and fruit. Wow. Why don't you find a worm to play with? Mommy bird said. What is a worm? Asked Early bird. A worm wiggles. It lives in a hole in the ground, said Mommy bird. So Early bird went out to find a worm. Are you a worm? Asked Early bird. No, said a bug on a flower. I am a ladybug. Are you a worm? Asked Early bird. No, I am a frog, said a fat fellow on a log. Worms live in holes. Early bird saw something in the ground. Are you a worm? Asked Early bird. I am not a worm, said Bunny Rabbit. Worms wiggle all over. Go look in the garden. In the garden, Early bird saw a wiggly thing. What was it? Hello, worm, Early bird said. You mean hello, mouse tail. Oh, it was his tail, said Freddie Field Mouse. Then he scampered back into his hole. Early bird began to cry. What's the matter? Said a funny fellow. I can't find a worm, said Early bird. Uh-oh. Don't cry, said the fellow. There's a worm right over there. Just hop over and pull him out. What do you think? And the grasshopper's looking at him. Early bird took the worm in his beak and pulled, but the worm was stuck in his hole. Give a big pull, Early bird. Pop! Why, it's you, said Early bird. That's right, said the fellow. My name is Wiggly Worm. Oh, no. The sun was going down. Early bird had to hurry home for supper. Come with me, said Early bird. All the way home, Wiggly Worm and Early bird played and jumped worm. They had a good supper. Sure, the bird didn't eat the worm. Wiggly Worm ate lots of peas. Daddy gave Early bird a Wiggly Worm and Daddy gave Early bird and Wiggly Worm a piggyback ride upstairs. Early bird took his bath with the sailboat and Wiggly Worm took his bath with his hat on. Time to go to sleep. Early bird got to get to bed. Wiggly Worm went to bed in the flower pot. Good night, Wiggly Worm. Good night, Early bird. And that was how the early bird catches the worm. Richard Scarry's The Early Bird, copyright 1968. Hope you enjoyed that quick little reading. And don't forget, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, okay? And as Papa and the Early Bird always say,
That was easy.
until next time, Papa is out.